We're at Brookside Motorcycle looking at the 2002 Ducati MH900E, the Mike Hailwood edition. It has very low miles, very well kept, adult owned, more of a showpiece than a rider. We will get the race stand coming with it. 900V twin, single side swing arm, as most of them do. Just a beautiful bike. It's in like brand new condition, all the way around, including tires. The backup camera there, you can see between the exhaust. Special edition plate here on the tank. Steering stabilizer. Alright, let's hear this thing run now. It's showing 269 miles, and the bike is just perfect. There is a carbon fiber body kit that is available with this bike, but not included in the current price. Ducati MH900E.